The other options are available in the wire tool, which make it possible to insert wires at angles. From the wire drop-down, choose the 22.5-degree tool. Similar to inserting wire procedure, you need to specify the start point as it is mentioned in the command line. After the start point of the wire is selected, you will be prompted to specify the end point of it. So you have to click on the point where you want to terminate it. If inserting the wire is done up to here and you don't need to continue drawing it, by pressing escape, you can exit the 22.5-degree tool. Now I'm going to show you another example. Select 22.5 degree in the wire tool and then specify the start point. And note that if you want to continue direction 22.5 degree of wire by entering C command, it can be done, and then press escape. But if you want to change the direction of line, you can just select the point and end your line in your desired point where the wire is not exactly at 22.5 degree. Now I'm going to take you through another tools which are 45 degree and 67.5 degree. The procedure of using these tools are same as 22.5 degrees, and it draws the wire at angle of 45 degrees. Another method to select wire degree is just writing the exact command which is mentioned here. You can memorize it and just write it down in the command line. Then press enter and do the procedure to draw your wire.